Welcome to the Superchute chute and chute hoist installation video. This video is not a substitute for the chute or chute hoist installation manuals that accompany every order. What we see here is a wraparound chute. It lays flat, very nice for storage and transport. Many of them can be stacked just like sheets of plywood when in storage. Very easy to put together. A couple of men can assemble it in under a minute. No tools required for assembly. Five eye bolts are used to fasten the clasp. And the eye bolts are stored on one of the section's cables when not in use. The man here is unraveling the red shock cord, which is passed through the eyes and prevents the eye bolts from backing out due to vibration when the chute is hanging. Superchute products are very well created at the factory. Here's a hoist. You can see it consists of several pieces. They're all man-sized. They can be hauled up on a rope or brought up on a boom lift, or brought up in an elevator car. All chute hoists are similar. We make 12 of them. They all go together with locking pins. And all the designs consist of two half frames. Here we can see the men building one side of the hoist, or one half frame. This hoist is a model SC-300-cb. The name indicates it can support 300 pounds of chute. The hoist does have a 3-to-1 safety factor, meaning that it will not overturn until 900 pounds of load is placed upon it. The hoist, however, should never be used for more than 300 pounds of chute. The men are now assembling the other half frame. Notice how the two half frames have been assembled away from the roof edge. The roofer hoist in particular has half frames that can be a little unwieldy to handle, and this hoist is best assembled away from the roof edge. Once the half frames have been joined, the men will move the hoist to the roof edge. Moving it. And notice how the hoist is resting at all times on some scrap pieces of presswood. This is to prevent the hoist from puncturing through the roof membrane. The weights can now be placed in the weight carriages. The weight retaining rod is put through the handles to prevent the weights from being knocked off, and a padlock is used to secure them to prevent vandals or a workman from borrowing a weight. The gentleman is handling a device called the Fishpole. It has a winch on it and a cable, and this is the device that is used to lift and lower the chutes. It is only installed while the chutes are being raised or lowered. Once the chute is hanging from the support, the fishpole does come away. The cable is being lowered to the ground. On the ground, men have been working to assemble the chutes. Hard hats are worn to prevent any debris from hurting them. They add chutes as the man on the roof winches. It's best to have 3 men installing a chute. One works to raise the chute at the roof level with the winch, and the 2 others on the ground add the sections. They give commands like up, down, stop, to tell the man on the roof how fast or how slow he should work that winch. On tall chutes, it's very handy to have a set of walkie-talkies. Notice how the chute is raised and then lowered into the section reading. Chute goes up. The chute comes down and picks up the man. The chute goes up, and so forth. Manual winch is fast enough to build a chute very quickly. In fact, generally the man operating the winch will be going too fast for the man on the ground. Once the chute has reached the roof level, we want to transfer the chute weight from the fishpole to the chains that hang off the support frame. Chains are now taking all the load, so the fishpole can be removed. Installation of the hoist is complete.